possible. So let's go ahead and see. Wow, you can even turn it. Let's see if it's impossible. So to do this, you gotta spin it this way, because if you don't, it's gonna close that arm. Same thing with this guy. So if you're thinking about flipping it, you gotta hold it here and you gotta spin it again. See how this guy performed? Woo! Okay, one more time. Again. So when you hold it, it's called a, oh, it's very sensitive. On the side again. One more time. So it's very touchy. See, it's not even crashing. And then we gotta hold it over here. This is the wicked point. Okay, I wanna do one more. So we gotta, yeah, if you push it that way, it's gonna close the arm. So you gotta push it. Yeah, do not try this at home. Alright, let's go ahead and do the other side. Woo! Parrot Anafi. Wow! Not bad. Very interesting. You got a speed. Again. Blow by. Wow, okay. So, is it possible to crash? We'll see. Okay, okay. Even though you got in his butt. One more time. Yeah, it'll never fall. So it's impossible to crash, guys. Wow, very interesting. Very interesting with Anafi. One more time. All right, it's a good test. One more time. Okay, one more time. Woohoo! Yeah, yeah. So it's impossible to crash this guy. Performance wise, it's good. If you put this in a fast mode, it will move. But the slow mode on this guy, oh man, it's really slow too. So it's like it's fast and has that slow movement. So it's a good thing. So is it worth for the money? Ah, yeah. So let's go ahead and go here. Up, it's low battery. I think they didn't give me no warning. That thing just bam. Interesting. Well, anyway. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And we just actually learn about this guy, what it can do. So again, thank you.